Hey guys, good morning. GameStop did have a nice pop up to 180. I think peak high was, I just saw 190, so that's pretty solid on GameStop's part. Um, I actually did end up selling for like a small $600 profit. The reason I sold is because I was actually playing that doggy, what is it called? That doggy run up. So I actually used this 10K to actually buy doggy at like 0.249. I sold at like 36 cents, I think, and then I bought back in yesterday at GameStop at 182.92. So far right now, again, just the 60 shares holding right now. The last time I sold was last week, I think. Market sell May 20th. Yeah, so I sold last week so I can play doggy, basically that downturn on doggy. My 0.249 order got filled. Bought in doggy over the weekend. Sold when it hit like 36 cents, I think, or 35 cents probably. And then I bought back in on GameStop and I'm running this run up. I do still think it's going to go to 283. So I'll see you guys later.